Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we're gonna do an unboxing of the Smith Little Torch which I got from eBay. And I got the whole kit because it's hard to find the regulator and stuff because there are so many different sizes. So today I'm gonna unbox it for you guys. Alright, so let's go. Alright, let's see what we have. What we use. So I think this is the oxygen regulator. I don't have a clue what this is. Yeah, it's pretty heavy. So this is the oxygen regulator. We're gonna keep this here. The next one, same thing as the previous one. Okay, this is the propane LPG regulator. Yeah, it's got some weight to it. That's all we have here. And then we have, all right, let's see. I think these are called the arresters. So yeah, this comes with the kit. And then we are going to unbox our Smith Little Torch. All right. So this is the torch, comes with 5 tips. So 5 different size tips. All right, let's get this out. Okay, so this is the torch. In the next video I'll show you how to, not how to like assemble this, but how to use it, because even I don't have a clue how to assemble it. So I'm gonna check this on Google and I'll set it up and I'll get back with you guys, and we're gonna melt some silver or gold. Alright, so that was the unboxing for the Smith Little Torch. That's all for today. Thank you guys. Please like and subscribe. Have a good day. Bye bye.